Sikkim is one of the most wonderful places to visit in India. Sikkim is landlocked with Nepal to its west, the Chinese Tibet Autonomous Region to its north, and east Bhutan. Part of the Himalayas, the area has a dramatic landscape that includes India's highest mountain, Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Gangtok houses people of different ethnicity such as Nepali, Lepchas, and Bhutia. Before you start for Sikkim, there are few things which you should know. Number 1. First of all, you should be carrying Indian ID proof and passport size photographs which will be required to obtain permit for Changu Lake. PAN card and Aadhaar card are not acceptable. You will be asked to provide any one among voter ID card, driving license and Indian passport. Number 2. If you are overseas citizen or NRI, then it is mandatory to opt for inner line permit in Rangpur checkpost at Tourist Information Center office. Number 3. Single overseas citizen and NRIs are not allowed to visit Changu Lake. Only above 2 persons are issued Changu Lake permit, and such travelers are permitted to go up to Changu Lake only. Baba Mandir and Nathula are not permitted, and they should be accompanied by local guide. Being an attractive tourist destination, Gangtok is one among the cleanest towns in the country. Some years back, G News team had done TV show on its cleanliness. Just have a glance.
सिक्किम की जो तस्वीरें आज हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं, उन्हें देखने के बाद आपको अंदाजा लग जाएगा कि देश की राजधानी दिल्ली सहित तमाम दूसरे शहर और राज्य स्वच्छता के मामले में सिक्किम के सामने कहीं नहीं ठहरते। लेकिन देश के सबसे स्वच्छ राज्य के वीडियो विश्लेषण से पहले मैं आपको कुछ जरूरी जानकारियां देना चाहता हूं। आपको यह जानकर हैरानी होगी कि वर्ष 2008 में सिक्किम देश का पहला 100% सैनिटेशन कवरेज यानी शौचालय वाला राज्य बन गया था। सिक्किम देश का शायद पहला और इकलौता राज्य होगा जहां थूकना मना है। सिक्किम के लगभग हर कस्बे में एंटी स्पिटिंग पॉलिसी लागू है, जिसके तहत थूकने पर 200 रुपए जुर्माने का प्रावधान है। सिक्किम में 14 अगस्त 1997 से ही पॉलिथीन के इस्तेमाल पर पूरी तरह से प्रतिबंध है। सड़क पर कूड़ा फेंकना मना है और थोड़ी थोड़ी दूरी पर एक डस्टबिन रखा गया है। आपको यह जानकर भी ताज्जुब होगा कि सिक्किम में चलने वाली हर टैक्सी में मोबाइल डस्टबिन का इंतजाम किया गया है। यानी अगर आप कार में सफर कर रहे हैं तो कूड़ा बाहर नहीं फेंक सकते, उसे कार में मौजूद मोबाइल डस्टबिन में ही आपको डालना होगा। सिक्किम में सार्वजनिक स्थानों पर धूम्रपान करना मना है। पकड़े जाने पर 200 रुपए के जुर्माने का प्रावधान है। सिगरेट पीने वालों के लिए सरकार ने अलग से स्मोकिंग रूम बना रखे हैं जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हैं। शहर के अलग अलग हिस्सों में ऐसे स्मोकिंग रूम्स मौजूद हैं और बनाए गए हैं।
Due to COVID-19, tourists are supposed to apply for travel card online, whose link is in the description box. It is mandatory for Sikkim visit. To start for Gangtok, you will land either at Bagdogra Airport or NGP railway station or Pakyong Airport. If you do not have pre-booking cab, then you can make a booking from prepaid taxi service, which costs rupees 4,000 for Innova or Zylo and rupees 3,000 for a small car. At the exit, middlemen who arrange the car are available sometimes. They do have good rates to offer. To go with sharing car, you have to reach Siliguri. Taking Sumo or Bolero will cost you rupees 300 per person and bus will cost you rupees 250 per person. You can book AC bus as well at Sikkim Nationalized Transport, which is Government of Sikkim unit. Pakyong Airport is minimum functional airport, so landing there you have to hire the car from the airport parking. To reach Gangtok from Bagdogra Airport, NJP railway station and Siliguri, you will travel by passing Tista River, Coronation Bridge, NHPC Hydroelectricity Project, under construction railway tunnel, Tista Bridge, Rangpur, Singtam and Ranipur. If you start your journey early, then you can enjoy river rafting on the way. If you are traveling in summer, then light woolen clothes are enough. But if you are traveling in winter, then you have to carry warm woolen clothes. Sightseeing at Gangtok. At Gangtok, you are left with the option to do sightseeing with Rumtek Monastery followed by other points or Bonjhakri waterfalls followed by other points. If you choose Rumtek Monastery, then your following points will be Cottage Industry, Flower Show, Dodrul Choten, Namgyal Institute of Tibetology and Ropeway. If you choose Bonjhakri waterfalls, then it will be followed by Ganesh Talk, Hanuman Talk, Cottage Industry, Flower Show, Dodrul Choten, Namgyal Institute of Tibetology, Ropeway and Bakthang waterfalls. And if you do not have pre-booking cab, then you can hire running taxi for a small car which will cost you rupees 2000, and for Innova or Jailo you can book your service from local travel agent or hotel travel decks which will cost you rupees 3500 to 4000. Rumtek Monastery. It is located 24 kilometers away from Gangtok. Located on a hill facing, it is the largest monastery in Sikkim. It comprises a temple, a school, several stupas, and a retreat for monks to meditate. You will also find 1001 brilliant models of Buddha. Visitors are supposed to show ID proof before entering the monastery gate. Cottage Industry. This institute produces and promotes the state's traditional authentic arts and crafts and teaches the ancient crafts of Sikkim like painting, mask making, weaving and wood carving. It is the storehouse of hand-woven Tibet carpets in natural dyes with traditional motifs, blankets, shawls, Sikkimese style wooden tables. Flower Show. It showcases flowers from the different parts of Sikkim. Here, flowers are displayed throughout the year. Namgyal Institute of Tibetology. It is located at Deorali, less than 2 kilometers from the main town. Its library holds one of the largest collection of Tibetan works in the world outside Tibet and a museum of Tibetan iconography and religious art. It is one of the most important and famous institutes in the world that does research in the areas of Tibetan language and culture. Dodrul Choten Stupa. This huge stupa is located at a short walking distance from the Namgyal Institute of Tibetology. The car will drop you at the base from where a short but steep uphill pathway leads to the stupa. Locals believe that this entire place was once haunted by evil spirits, and many people who resided around this place became victims and died. Later, a very respected and celebrated Lama of Tibet, Trulsik Rinpoche, came to this place for hermitage. He built this stupa in 1946 to drive away the spirits. Being a tourist destination, Sikkim is also an organic state in the country. Ropeway. The starting point of ropeway is Deorali Bazaar. The visitors can have a panoramic view of the full Gangtok city while taking a ride. It costs rupees 170 per person for a two-way journey. For children, it costs rupees 77 and service is available from 9 am to 5 pm. Bakthang Waterfalls. It is a small waterfall located on the North Sikkim Highway. Situated near Tasi Viewpoint, it is one of the beautiful places to visit. For activity lovers, there is a ropeway sliding where one can get the bird's eye view of the region. Though it is only a thrilling short slide only for few seconds, and cost will be rupees 100 per person and timing will be 10 am to 4 pm. Tasi Viewpoint. Situated 8 kilometers away from Gangtok, Tasi Viewpoint is a scenic beauty from where travelers can get a view of the magnificent Mount Sinalcho and Mount Kanchenjunga. This spot also serves as a fabulous picnic place and it is open from 5 am to 6 pm. Hanuman Talk. Hanuman Talk is a Hindu temple. The temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman and maintained by the Indian Army. Ganesh Talk. It is a Ganesh temple located near Tasi Viewpoint. Inche Monastery. It is 200 years old monastery. Place is surrounded by tall pine trees. Banjhakri Waterfalls. The Banjhakri Falls, an energy park, is a recreation center and tourist attraction. The park displays the Banjhakri who worships spirits living in the caves around the falls.
आई थिंक कठिन नहीं कहिए, ये कहिए कि सबसे ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशंस ढूंढा है मेरी फिल्म के लिए. जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो विजुअली इट विल बी अ डिलाइट.
Before we end up, I just wanted to put in your information that hotels in Gangtok are available in all categories. You can book bed and breakfast even at rupees 1500 and also book room only at rupees 1000. Even you have a choice for luxury hotels around the place. If your hotel is nearby town, then MG Mark is the best spot to spend your free time. To encourage us to make more videos, please hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.